Alright, in this video, I'm just going to show you how to get Gemini and all the other models, Google AI Plus, at no cost for 1 year, 12 months. So this is how you're going to get. Now, what you need to do is you can click the link in the description where it can take you to this page, which is Google Gemini exclusively for students. If you're a student, if you're doing a graduation or in a college, etc., etc., you can absolutely get student plan for 1 year at no cost. So what you need to do is you need to head over this simple page right here. What you want to do is click on claim a student plan at no cost. Now here you're going to get a student offer, and you can say you have very cheaper price as well. It includes YouTube Premium Lite as well. And let me just click here, click on, it will ask you to verify student status, and you need to click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's just going to take you to another page where you have to verify you are from you're studying, you're actually a student from a certain college. You can enter your name right here, and they're gonna verify, and they're gonna revert back to you with a Google One access.